ሰላም እንደምን ቆያችሁን? ዛሬ እንደተለመደው በሌላ የሪሚዲያል ጥያቄ መተናል። የዛሬው የሪሚዲያል ጥያቄያችን ቻፕተር 5 ላይ ከዚህ በፊት በሪሚዲያል ጥያቄዎች ላይ የተጠየቁ ወደፊትም ይጠየቃሉ ብለን ያሰብናቸው የሪሚዲያል ጥያቄዎችን ለናንተው ጀባ ብለናል። ለቻናሉ አዲስ ከሆናችሁ ሰብስክራይብ በማድረግ ማንኛውም ያላችሁን አስተያየት ኮሜንት ሴክሽን ላይ ጻፍ አድርጉልን። እናንተ የዛሬ ኮሜንት የነገ የኛ ስራ ይሆናልና። አንደኛ in a classic Mendelian monohybrid cross between a homozygous dominant smooth seeded plant SS and homozygous receive a ring-linked seeded plant SS, what is the expected phenotype ratio of the F2 generation? A 1:1, B 3:1, C 1:1, D 9:3:1. What will be the answer? Just pause አድርጋችሁ ቪዲዮን ካልኩሌት አድርጉት። The answer will be B is the best answer. As you can see, here is an explanation. ያው F2 ነው አይደል የሚለው F1 ብሎ ማለት የመጀመሪያ ክሎሳችን F1 ነው። ካፒታል 2 ኤስ እና ስሞል ኤስን F2 ሲሆን ደብል እናደርገዋለን SS, which means S ካፒታል ስሞል S ያደረግን ክሮስ እናደርገው ለመጨረሻ ወሪንክል የሚመጣልን ሬሽዮ 1 is the best answer ይሆናል ማለት ነው። ሁለተኛ Mendele's law of regression states that allele for different traits are inherited completely independently of one another, with two allele for a single trait spread during gamete formation, so each gamete carry only one allele. C. Dominant alleles will always blind with recessive allele in the offspring. D. Chromosome fail to spread properly during meiotic cell division. The answer is D is the best answer. ሶስተኛ if this cross is performed by crossing an individual with an unknown dominant phenotype with a homozygous recessive individual AA and 100% of the offspring display the dominant phenotype, the unknown genotype was A. homozygous dominant, B. heterozygous, C. homozygous recessive, D. hemizygous. What will be the answer? A is the best answer. አራተኛ a cross between a pure breeding red flower plant and a pure breeding white flower plant produce a form of offspring that all have pink flower. What genotypic phenotype does this display? A. codominance, B. epistates, D. C. incomplete dominance, D. pleiotropy. The answer is C. incomplete dominance is the best answer. አምስተኛ human AB blood type is an example of codominance because A. the A allele is partially masked by the allele B. individual with the AB genotype express both A and B functional carbohydrate on their red blood cell. C. the O blood is dominant over both A and B types. D. It is an inheritance pattern controlled by entirely non-nuclear structural DNA. The answer is B is the best answer. ስድስተኛ a trait like human skin color or adult age shows a continuous spectrum of variation because it is controlled by the additive effect of two or more separate genes. This is known as A. polygenic inheritance, B. multiple alleles, C. codominance, D. sex-linked inheritance. The answer is A. polygenic inheritance is the best answer. ሰባተኛ according to Chargaff-Roloff base pairing in double standard DNA molecule, if a sample contains 30% adenine with the percent of guanine must be present. The answer is C. guanine is the best answer. ያው ሲምፕል ነው አይደል? አዴኒን ከታያሚን ጓኒን ከሳይቶሲን ጋር ነው። ሶ አዴኒን 30% ከሆነ ጓኒንም ታያሚንም 30% ነው። የሁለቱ ድምር 60% ይሆናል። 40% ይቀራል። 40% ደግሞ 20% ለጓኒን 20% ለሳይቶሲን ይቀራል ማለት ነው። ሶ መልሱ ሲ። ስምንተኛ who is known as the father of genetics for discovering the basic law of inheritance? ኤ ቻርልስ ዳርዊን፣ ቢ ጆርጅ ማንደል፣ ሲ ሉዊስ ፓስቸር፣ ዲ ሮበርት ሆክ። The answer is B ጆርጅ ሜንደልስ the best answer። 9ኛ an allele that always heads or masks another allele is called A recessive, B heterozygous, C dominant, D homozygous። The answer is C dominant is the best answer። ዶሚናንት ከወርዱ እንደምንረዳው ዶሚን ማድረግ ኦር መከለል ኦር ማሸነፍ እንደማለት ነው አይደል? ያ 10ኛ if a plant has two identical allele for a trait like TT, it is called A homozygous, B heterozygous, C dominant, D recessive። The answer is A homozygous is the best answer። What is the physical appearance of visible look of an organism called? A genotype, B phenotype, C mutation, D chromosome። What is physical appearance or visible look ነው የሚለው? The answer is B phenotype is the best answer። ያው አንድ የክሮስ ፕሮዳክት ካደረግን በኋላ ሁለት አይነት ነገሮች ግዴታ አናላይዝ ማድረግ አለብን። the first one is phenotype, the second one is genotype። ሶ በዚህ ሲናሪዮ መሰረት ፌኖታይፕ ብሎ ማለት ፊዚካል አፒራንስ ነው ማለት የሚያሳይ፣ ጂኖታይፕ ደግሞ ኤክስፕረስ የምናደርግበት ነው። ጂኖታይፑ ከዚህ ሄዶ ምናምን ብለን ኤክስፕረስ የምናደርግበት ጂኖታይፕ ይባላል። ሶ the answer is B። 12ኛ when a red flower and white flower produce a pink flower, what types of inheritance is this? A codominance, B incomplete dominance, C complete dominance, D recessive inheritance። The answer is B incomplete dominance is the best answer። 13 in human AB blood type both A and B traits show up clearly at the same time. This is called A incomplete dominance, B codominance, C polygenic inheritance, D recessive bleeding। The answer is B codominance is the best answer። 14 traits like human skin color or height are controlled by many genes worked together. This is called A codominance, B multiple allele, C polygenic inheritance, D monohybrid inheritance። The answer is C polygenic inheritance is the best answer። 15 what is the true shape of DNA? What is the true shape of a DNA molecule? A single straight line, B a double helix twisted ladder, C flat perfect square, D a sample circular ring። The answer is B double helix ነው። double helix ሲሆን DNA የሲንግል ሄሊክስ ምን ብለዋለን? RNA እንለዋለን። ሶ double helix ነው DNA ማለት ነው። 16ኛ in DNA base pairing adenyl's pair up with which base? A cytosine, B guanine, C thymine, D uracil። The answer is C thymine is the best answer። thymine እና uracil ተመሳሳይ ናቸው፣ ግን ፓይራሚዲን እና ፒውሪን የምንላቸው አሉ። ያ ነው የሚለያቸው ታይሚን እና uracil። ሰው በታይሚን በፓይሪዲን እና በፒውሪን ጊዜ ሁለቱ አንደኛው ላይ ይኖራል፣ አንደኛው ደግሞ አንደኛው ላይ አይኖርም ማለት ነው። ተመሳሳይ ነው፣ ግን ምን ጊዜም አዴኒን ግን ከታይሚን ጋር ነው ፓይር የሚያደርገው። 16 what are the special packaging proteins that DNA wraps around to stay organized inside the cell? A enzyme, B histones, C hormones, D ribosomes። The answer is B histones is the best answer። 18 which types of cell division creates two identical body cells for growth and healing? A meiosis, B mitosis, C fertilization, D mutation። The answer is B mitosis is the best answer። ሴል ዲቫይድ አድርጎ ፎር ግሮዝ እና ሂሊንግ ከሆነ ማይቶሲስ እንለዋለን። ፎር ፈርቲላይዜሽን ኦር ሪፕሮዳክሽን ከሆነ ማዮሲስ እንለዋለን። ሶ ሴል ግሮዝ ኤንድ ሂሊንግ ከሆነ ማይቶሲስ ኢዝ ዘ ቤስት አንሰር። 19ኛ what is the main goal of meiosis? A. to repair damaged cell. B. to make identical clone of cell. C. to make 6 cell sperm and egg with half the DNA. D. to copy viral structures. The answer is C. to make 6 cells is the best answer. 20ኛ during which phase of meiosis do chromosomes line up right in the middle of the cell? A. prophase. B. metaphase. C. anaphase. D. telophase. The answer is, what will be the answer? The answer is B. metaphase is the best answer. 21ኛ what is crossing over during meiosis? or what is crossing over during meiosis the first? A. chromosomes getting lost in the cell. B. homologous chromosome swap piece of DNA to create variety. C. the cell membrane shrinking. D. DNA turn into RNA. The answer is B. homogeneous chromosome swap piece of DNA to create variety is the best answer. 22 what is a genetic mutation? A. a normal change in cell shape. B. in changing the normal sequence of base in DNA. C. moving a cell out of the body. D. digesting nutrients too fast. The answer is B. in changing the normal sequence of base in DNA is the best answer. 23 mutations that change a normal codon into premature stop codon is called A. silent mutation. B. nonsense mutation. C. missense mutation. D. neutral mutation. The answer is B. nonsense mutation is the best answer. 24 which enzyme unzips the DNA double helix during replication? A. DNA polymers. B. DNA helicase. C. DNA ligase. D. RNA primase. The answer is B. DNA helicase is the best answer. 25 what does it mean the DNA's replication is semi-conservative? What does it mean the DNA replication is semi-conservative? A. the entire original DNA molecule is completely destroyed. B. each new DNA molecule contains one original parent strand and one brand new strand. C. no new strand are created. D. cells save energy by not completing the process. The answer is B is the best answer. 26 which enzyme builds the new DNA strand by matching correct nucleotide to the template? A. DNA helicase. B. DNA polymerase. C. amylase. D. insulin. The answer is B. DNA polymerase is the best answer. 27 what is the main goal of transcription? What is the main goal of transcription? A. copying agent DNA code into portable strand of mRNA. B. assembling chain of protein outside the cell. C. splitting a cell into 2 pieces. D. absorbing sunlight energy. transcription are የሚለው so the answer is A is the best answer. transcription ማለት ዲኤንኤን ወደ ኤምአርኤንኤን መቀየር ትራንስክሪፕሽን እንላለን። ዲኤንኤ ወደ ሜሴንጀር አርኤንኤ የሚቀይረው ፓርት ትራንስክሪፕሽን እንላለን ማለት ነው። 28 which nitrogenous base is found in RNA but not in DNA? A. adenine. B. thymine. C. uracil. D. cytosine. The answer is C. uracil is the best answer. 29 which enzyme handles the work of transcription? A. DNA polymerase. B. RNA polymerase. C. ሄሊኬዝ ዲ ፕሮቴዝ? The answer is B RNA polymerase is the best answer. የትራንስክሪፕሽን ስራን ቼክ የሚያደርገው ትራንስክሪፕሽንን ሃንድል የሚያደርገው ማን ነው? RNA polymerase ነው። 30ኛ what happens during RNA splicing in eukaryotic cells? A. The cell copies the whole genome truth. B. Encoding junk piece or intro or removing encoding piece exon are joined together. C. The mRNA is cut into individual pieces and recycled. D. The RNA is locked away forever. The answer is B. The encoding junk piece intron are removed, the encoding piece exon and joined together is the best answer. የዛሬው ጥያቄያችን ይህ ይመስል ነበር። በቀጣይ በሌላ ቪዲዮ እስክንገናኝ ድረስ ያላችሁ ማንኛውም አስተያየት ኮሜንት ሴክሽን ላይ ጻፍ አድርጉልን። ለቻናሉ አዲስ ከሆናችሁ በላይክ እንዲሁም በሰብስክራይብ አንበሽብሹን። ከወዲሁ መልካም ፈተና እያልን ሰላማችሁ ይብዛ። ሰላም